Welcome to Inspired Closets Vermont. In this quick video, we'll show you how to remove and reinsert a drawer the right way, no tools needed. First, fully extend the drawer. Next, locate the release tabs on each side. The one on the right pushes down, and the one on the left pushes up. They work in opposite directions. Once both tabs are released, gently pull the drawer out. To reinsert, push the drawer slides back in, line up the drawer glides with the slides, and slowly push the drawer back into place. You should hear a click when it's securely locked in, and that's it. Now remember, pull the drawer all the way out, press the tabs, right, down, left, up, remove the drawer, push the slides in, line everything up, and push until it clicks. Easy as that. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips.